Here we are with the 1970 Plymouth Cuda. It is in a beautiful cream color with black 340 stripes down the quarters. We've got American Racing Torque Thrust wheels, BF Goodrich radial TA tires, and the best part of the car, in my opinion, is the shaker hood scoop. Letting you know what we have under the hood there, the 340, which we will take a look at next. So stay tuned for that, and we'll dive into this car a little deeper. We're back. We're inside the 70 Cuda. We're going to fire it up for you guys, let you hear the engine. Alright, we've got the 1970 Cuda ready to take it for a drive. It's got a great sound at 340. No rattles or shakes. Drives nice and straight. Steering's tight. Brakes work like they should. Take it out here and get it through the gears for you. Alright, well, we're going to get it back to the garage, put it up on the lift, and show you the underside. We are back with the 70 Cuda up in the air for you. We've got a real nice exhaust system here, full length headers, running to some electric cutouts, heading on back to an X-pipe and MagnaFlow mufflers. You can also see just how clean and solid the floors are on this thing. Just a really nice build on this car. Head on back here and spin around so you can see the rear end. Very nice, clean, solid car.